Hello, welcome to this course book, Menschen books for understanding the German language or Deutsche Sprache. This books, as you see here, the picture of the book for A1 is the basic book for beginners, for someone who wants to understand the German language and has not any information about the German language, the basic words and vocabs. So this would be very good for this type of people. And as you know, maybe future you want to use this book. You see that here in this book the sentences and words are not in English. One of them in the Deutsch or German language. So you have to translate them to English or your language that you understand. The big problem is that German language is very based on the grammar, and you should know first the structure of the sentences, and this language is a little different from English. English, the grammar is not very important, but German language for speaking, for writing, this is very important to use grammar and understanding grammar. So just by using the dictionary and translating the sentences, you can't understand this language, and you can't make sentences. Maybe you understand some sentences and other passages, but you can't make a sentence. So this book would be good for you because you understand the grammar, as well as the grammar you can understand the vocabs from basic to advanced, step by step. So I try to explain this book for you, for English speakers, and that hopefully that would be good and useful for you. So first of all, I focus on this section for grammar. This grammar for Lektion 1 or Lesson 1. So the basic grammar for German language. I assume that you don't know anything about German language and grammar of this language. So here I focus on this section for grammar. As you see here, subjects are here listed: ich, du, sie, or sie. And verbs for using verbs for these subjects. The verb sein, heißen, and kommen. Okay, and in this video I just focus on the verb sein. I've written them here, and I've made the sentences of the using verb sein or the equal verb sein in English to be a verb. As you remembered grammar of English, we have the verb to be. The verb to be for I, for myself is am, for yourself is you, and also for somebody else is is. But in German, this German language, this verb is different, and also the subject. For this sentence, for example, Ich bin Michael. Ich bin Michael is equal to I am Michael. So Michael can be changing with the yellow color. I show that with the yellow color that means this words can be changing. For example, this one you can say that your name. Ich bin. For example, your name is Smith. You say that Ich bin Smith. For example, and in English I am Smith. For somebody else that you want to use this, for example, this subject, du bist Jim. Somebody else, then his or her name is Jim. So you say that du bist Jim. In English, you say that you are Jim. And also here, in Deutsch language, you say that Sie sind David. Okay, but in English also use you are David. So for the both formal and informal, in English you use the same verbs and subjects. You are Jim. You are Jim. For informal or formal situation, it's not different. But in Deutsch, they are different. For informal, use du bist. For example, for your friend, you say that du bist Jim. And but for formal situation, you say that Sie sind Jim or Sie sind David. So they are different. And also for he used the subject ist the name of the person. For example, Barak, the name of the person you want to use for this, ist Barak. The equal sentence is for English, he is Barak. And other sentence, and here you see that sie ist Zara, for example, sie ist equal to she is, and the name can be changed. Sarah, pronunciation in English is Sarah, but in Deutsch, auf Deutsch, you say that she is, sie ist Sarah. Okay? So, and the other point for these sentences is that the names in German language or Deutsch Sprache was starting with capital letter, like this, like this. But in English, it's not important. With, so they are with a small letter. Okay. And here, so okay, that would be enough for me. But I want to introduce these websites to you. They are very useful. This website, dick.cc, is translating German to English or English to German, and other dictionary is this one, and also has app for Android and Apple, and other website is Webform. This website, webformen.com. And for example, you see that I searched the verb sein, and they are listed here. Ich bin, du bist, ist, and other subjects are listed here. Okay, thank you for your attention, and see you later.